Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit lipstick on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's one of my project, and you just go to the lower bar at the lower side of the screen and tap to the makeup option next to the hairstyles. And here you can find the fourth option, the lipstick, and you can select different colors. If you want to set that, just click to the white icon and just pull on the line, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.